Okay, hey there. Got a saw for Philip. Philip lost his house on storm damage from Helene in Augusta. I'm packing it up for you, Philip. I'm sorry about the situation you got with the logs on your house. Okay, don't stop that film. Come over here. I'm going to send you a couple extra switches. I'm going to send you another starter assay. That'll keep you going. These switches right here, they just pop right out. If it gives you problems, give you another starter assay. That way there's nothing wrong with this saw. It'll last you for a lifetime. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care.